Hi there, I'm Keith Maynard from the Hydrogen Standard here at the Hydrogen Technology World Expo in Hamburg. A fantastic, huge event, and I'm here interviewing somebody who I know you want to hear about. This is the wonderful Olaf Schulenberg from Goetze. They're a family-owned company from the south of Germany that specialise in safety valves. So it's lovely to be here with you today, Olaf. Tell us a little bit about Goetze's role in the world of hydrogen, a little bit about Goetze themselves.
Yes. Yeah, hello. My name is Olaf Schulenberg from company Goetze, and Goetze is doing a lot of business already in the hydrogen business and also in a lot of other technical processes. Yeah, we are family owned and we are working since 1949 in this business, and yeah, it's very good, very interesting.
And obviously more recently, amongst that illustrious history, you've been really working within the world of hydrogen. So what exactly are you bringing to the growing world of hydrogen?
So we are mainly producer of pressure relief valves, overflow valves, and pressure reducers. And so we have very special products for that phase, also in materials and pressure levels and temperatures.
And within that, what are your biggest technical challenges? What are you facing when you're trying to keep, because obviously safety is such a big issue within this. So what are your challenges?
Biggest challenges for everybody in this business, I would say, is to keep the materials inside the necessary requirements. So there are a lot of standards, international and national also, and to keep hydrogen embrittlement, to be sure that you don't have that in the materials. Yeah? So Goetze has tested all these materials that we are using for hydrogen especially. You have to take care about explosive decompression in your sealing components, so that is very important in that case. Yeah. So a lot of things to do, and also cleaning is a very important point. So you have to make sure, so if you go through fuel cell processes, you have to be sure that the materials that you are using before, that they are clean and everything is degreased. So that is what we are doing and what we are handling very special for hydrogen.
And within the role of products that Goetze offer, what specific products do you offer for hydrogen?
So we are mainly producing pressure relief valves for high pressure applications, low temperature applications, and for also liquid hydrogen like minus 250 degrees Celsius. So, but the high pressure pressure relief valves are our main product, what we sell very lot in storing fields and also refueling systems. So this is our special valve that we have produced for that. So this is our type 492. This just go up to 1,500 bar, for example. Yeah.
And what is it? Obviously, we're talking about this particular valve. What is it, in a sense, that Goetze bring that distinguishes you from the competition, that distinguishes you from other companies? Why is it that people should come to Goetze, for their safety valves?
Yeah. So you cannot get a kind of this valve like this size. So this is the smallest size what you can ever find all over the world. So there's nothing else.
So you're the market leader in getting those small size safety valves for hydrogen.
Exactly. Yeah, that's it.
That's a good message to take, isn't it? That's a good message. So people need to come to you for this. And within that, then, what are you working on for the future? So what's next?
So, of course, I cannot tell you our issues inside our development team right now.
Go on, give us a secret.
Okay, but yes, of course, we are looking more and more also for more low temperature application, bigger sizes, or also for high pressures. So 1,500 bar is not the last what we are doing. So there's coming more, I think.
Okay, so you're kind of pushing the boundaries with pressure. Yeah. Are you trying to go even smaller? You've already got the smallest valve. Is the idea to go even smaller?
I think that it is technically maybe from the process not possible to do it. So you have to get all the approvals all over the world. So we sell it to North America, to standards there, and in Europe, of course, and also in Asia. So you have to look for these standards to take care about that. And so we keep all of that with this one. And so for higher pressures, we can go for it with this one, I think. But yeah, smaller, I don't think that we can do that.
It's not possible. You've already reached the limit. You're already there. And okay, so we're hearing now about the fact that you've got the smallest valves. You're continuing to push the boundaries when it comes to, really increasing that pressure threshold. Beyond that, where are you? How are you positioned within hydrogen, and where do you feel that hydrogen is going within the market?
So we are believing that there is a growing in the heavy-duty trucking, long distance trucking, and so that they will go for hydrogen in the future. And so we need pressure relief valves, overflow valves, and also pressure reducing valve in the whole process. So from the production of hydrogen and also in the whole process storing, and then also, of course, in the application.
So for people that are watching this and think, okay, Goetze are definitely a potential future partner for us, how do they find you?
Of course, they will find us, as everybody, also on the internet and by phone, wherever they want. And of course, I would invite to our new facility or new production facility, which we are just starting up in Ludwigsburg in the south of Germany. You are very welcome.
Come to Ludwigsburg, fantastic, and where you can find out more about Goetze and the fantastic work they're doing, having the world's smallest hydrogen safety valve, which is definitely something you need to get involved with. So thank you very much. Here from Hamburg, from myself and Olaf, we hope to see you soon.